Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So today in this lecture we will discuss about the first order linear differential equations. Since previously we have discussed about the ordinary differential equations and its applications, and we have started through exactness theorems. So here today we will discuss and start through first order linear differential equations. We will start through first order linear differential equation. So first of all, we need to know what do you mean by first order linear differential equations. So generally the equation of the forms dy upon dx plus py equals to q is said to be the linear differential equations, and here p and q are the function of x, and the solution of dy upon dx plus p equals to q, this is the linear differential equations, and its solution is given by here. Its solution is given by y into integrating factor equals to q into integrating factor plus c, and here integrating factor is calculated as integrating factor equals to e integral of p into dx. So here integrating factor is calculated if equals to e integral of p into dx. So here we will solve our problems related to this. Here we have the numerical sin x dy upon dx plus y cos x equals to 1. So first of all we have to make this equation in the form of dy upon dx plus py equals to q. So for this here we write this equation as dy upon dx plus y cot x equals to cosec x. Now this is linear equation in y. This is linear equation in y. So here since this is in the form of dy upon dx plus py equals to q, so here p equals to cot x, and in place of q we have here cosec x. So first of all we will integrate p to calculate the integrating factors. So integration of p into dx equals to cot x dx, and we have to integrate cot x. So the integration of cot x, since we have log sin x, since we know the integration of cot x into dx, cot x dx equal to log sin x. Now we have to calculate integrating factors. Integrating factor equals to e integral of p into dx. So e, we have calculated integral of p into dx here. So we have log sin x e to the power log sin x, and exponential and log is cancelled out, so we will get here sin x. Now we have the turn to calculate the general solutions. So its general solution is y into integrating factor equals to q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Now y into, we have calculated integrating factor equal to sin x, so we have sin x equals to integral of q. So in place of q we have cos x, and integrating factor equal to sin x into dx plus c. So y into sin x equals to, now here cosec x, so cos x into and sin x we can write here 1 by cosec x dx plus c. Now this is cancelled out, so y sin x equals to integral of 1 will get here x plus c. So this is our required solutions. So in this way we can calculate the first order linear differential equations. Now we will solve some more numerical related to this. Now we have the next one. Solve 1 plus x to the power 4 dy upon dx plus 4x cube y equal to sine cube x. So first of all you have to make it linear. So dy upon dx plus 4x cube upon 1 plus x to the power 4 y equals to sine cube x upon 1 plus x to the power 4. Now this is in the form of dy upon dx plus py equals to q. So we can write this is linear equation in y. So here we have p equals to, so in place of p we have 4x cube upon 1 plus x to the power 4, and in place of q we have sine cube x upon 1 plus x to the power 4. Now we'll calculate integral of p. So integration of p into dx, 4x cube plus 1 plus x to the power 4. Since in the denominator we have 1 plus x to the power 4, so if we differentiate it, we will get the numerator term. So we can directly write it as log 1 plus x to the power 4. So now we'll calculate the integrating factor. So we have integrating factor equals to e integral of p into dx. So e integral of p into dx, since we have calculated log sin x, so log 1 plus x to the power 4. So you will get here 1 plus x to the power 4, since log and exponential is cancelled out. So here we have p, in place of p we have this, and in place of q this, and we have calculated integrating factors. Now we have the last step is to calculate its general solutions. Now we have to calculate the general solution. General solution is y into integrating factor equals to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Now y into integrating, we have calculated here 1 plus x to the power, so 1 plus x to the power 4 equals to integral of q. So in place of q we have sine cube x upon 1 plus x to the power 4, and integrating factor we have 1 plus x to the power 4 into dx plus c. So now this is cancelled out. So y into 1 plus x to the power 4 equals to integral of sine cube x dx plus c. So we have to calculate the integration of sine cube x dx. So directly the integrations of sine cube x is not possible. So first of all we have to put this in formula. So sine cube 3x, sine cube x dx. So we have the formula 3 sine x minus sine 3x upon 4 dx plus c. Now we'll integrate it. So first of all I will integrate these terms. So we'll get here cos 3x upon 12 minus, and then I'll calculate these terms. So we'll get here 3 upon 4 and cos x plus c, and here we have y into 1 plus x to the power 4. So finally we'll get here 12 into y 1 plus x to the power 4 equals to cos 3x minus 9 cos x plus c. So this is our required solutions. So in this we can calculate the problems related to first order linear differential equations. Hope you enjoy the lectures, and thanks for watching the lectures.